Before you buy construction management software, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. With so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in the sea of features and claims. But by the end of this video, you'll have the clarity you need to make an informed decision. First off, let's talk about the ease of use. Many construction management tools promise to be user-friendly, but not all live up to the hype. Some require extensive training or a steep learning curve. Compared to competitors, certain platforms are more intuitive, allowing your team to jump right in without months of onboarding. You want something that doesn't waste your time. Keep an eye on the interface. If it feels complicated, it probably is. Next thing, integration capabilities. Construction projects often rely on multiple software systems to handle everything from scheduling to budgeting. Not all software integrates seamlessly with other tools like accounting systems, CRM software, or document storage solutions. Make sure the platform you're considering can easily connect with the tools your team already uses. Many options on the market fall short here, so always double-check integration compatibility. The third thing is mobile accessibility. A construction site is never stationary, and neither are your project managers. A strong mobile app should be a key feature. Some construction management tools may have decent mobile functionality, but others have poorly designed apps that make simple tasks frustrating. Test it out before committing to see if it's truly a game changer for your field workers. The fourth thing, project tracking and reporting. Construction management software should make tracking project progress simple and accurate. Look for platforms that offer real-time updates, customizable reports, and easy tracking of budgets, timelines, and resources. Some systems can provide a high-level overview, but without detailed reporting features, you'll be left guessing. Make sure it gives you the control and visibility you need. Next, look for budget and cost control features. Managing costs on a construction project can make or break your bottom line. Compare tools to see which one offers the most robust budgeting features. Some systems have limited budget tracking, while others include sophisticated forecasting and cost prediction features that help you avoid surprises. A good software will save you more money in the long run. Another important factor is the level of customer support. You want a solution that stands behind its product with solid customer support. The difference between mediocre and top-tier customer support is huge, especially when you run into issues or need advice on how to best use the system. While some software vendors offer 24/7 support, others may not be as responsive when you need them most. Next, let's talk about scalability. Your construction company might be small now, but what happens as you grow? Make sure the software can grow with you. Look for tools that offer scalability, whether through add-ons, customizations, or additional features as your team and projects expand. Some software is limited in its growth potential, so be cautious of that. Another consideration is security. Construction management software handles a lot of sensitive data, contracts, financial information, and personal data of employees. A security breach could have serious consequences. Choose a platform that prioritizes security with encryption and secure cloud storage, and compare how each software provider handles data protection. The next thing is collaboration features. Effective teamwork is critical in construction projects. Look for a software that promotes seamless communication between team members, clients, and subcontractors. Features like real-time messaging, document sharing, and project updates ensure everyone is on the same page. Some software options lack collaboration tools, so make sure that isn't the case with the one you're considering. The 10th thing is ease of customization. Your business is unique, and your software should reflect that. Customizable workflows and features can greatly enhance how the software fits your specific needs. Don't settle for a one-size-fits-all solution. Make sure the software lets you tailor it to your specific workflows and processes. Next, be aware of the pricing structure. Some platforms offer seemingly low upfront costs, but hidden fees and ongoing costs can add up quickly. Look for transparent pricing with no surprise charges down the line. You should know exactly what you're paying for and why. The last thing to consider is the reputation of the software provider. Do your research and read user